Today, I will be showing you a simple but powerful natural gut healing remedy. Fermented plantain with cloves. These drinks helps restore your gut health, it eases bloating, and even boosts nutrient absorption. All these ingredients, you can quickly access them. So I'll be using two ripe plantains and one unripe plantain because I want to create a balance both for natural sugar, for fermentation, and resistant starch that fits our good gut bacteria. Some of us, what we are fighting is issues with our gut health, and it's really making it difficult to balance our hormones. So just cut it up, slice each and every one of them into small, small pieces. I prefer the circle slicing. You can do the other oblong slicing, okay? So once you are done slicing it, you are going to move it straight into a bowl. But before I do, I would like you to know that if you're having constant bloating and you are told is that because of ulcer or your food is struggling to digest, this simple natural gut healing remedy could be what your body needs. In fact, and it costs nothing. And this is the plantain season. We're already in dry season, so plantain it's out there and you're going to get it very, very affordable. It's all sliced up, all right? I'll just get my bowl, transfer it right inside there, okay? Transfer it. You can use a plastic bowl or you can actually use a glass bowl, all right? So first, your nutrient absorption is important in hormone balancing. Very, very important. I'll be adding my blended cloves, okay? I like the flavor of cloves, and cloves have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties also, antifungal properties also. Very awesome for your hormones. So I'll be adding my water now, okay? I had to fill it up. The amount of water depends on the quantity of plantain you're making. So if you're using just one plantain, obviously you won't be using this much quantity of water. Cover it up, okay? I just cover it up, seal it up completely. Then transfer it into a dark place. I decided to use my oven, okay, just to keep it in a dark place where it will not be disturbed at all. I need the fermentation because sometimes the unhealthy bacteria is outweighing the healthy bacteria in your system. That's why your gut is leaking. That's why your gut is having problem. Okay, so let's check it out. Check it out. Okay, it's been more than 48 hours. I did it for 48 hours, a few minutes. Okay, you can do 48 hours to 72 hours. I'm not all for the alcohol content. I am all for the fermentation that brings the good bacteria. Those bubbles forming there is a sign that yes, fermentation has taken place, okay? And because I let it for 48 hours, the alcoholic scent is not there at all. It's not there at all right? Because sometimes you hear, oh, it's like palm wine. This one, it didn't taste a bit like any palm wine, all right? So sieve out. You might want to try this experiment like me. I decided to fry the plantain. It tasted like there's no taste at all. So don't even bother to say let you fry it. I've already done the experiment. You won't like it. It just tasted like water, all right? Because all the sugar has gone out. All the fermentation process has taken up all the sugar. The good bacteria has taken it up, okay? After sieving it out, and there you have it. Look at that milky drink. Look at it, 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 okay? And the taste, the aroma is amazing also. Very, very amazing. The tasting is good. Your kids will love it. It's not only for adults. My kids loved it, okay? They will love it. Drink on an empty stomach, or you can actually eat it with your meal, okay? It's very refreshing.